Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. Welcome to our virtual math class today. I'm going to pull that down just a bit since I'm sitting down with us today. Welcome, I'm so glad you're here because today we have an awesome opportunity for you. Twice a year, you get the chance to share your thoughts on our school. And you get to do this anonymously, so your responses are not tied to you. This will hopefully let you answer honestly because your teachers won't get to see your results. Your results will be reported without your name or any other identifying information to our school, so we're able to make our school a better place. So to do that, we are going to take what is called the Panorama Ed survey. It is given to every MNPS student, I know in middle and high school, and I think from third grade on, it's given to parents and it's also given to teachers so that our schools are able to become a better, happier, more education-focused place. Hopefully you're loving our class and you're loving Goodlettsville Middle even though you haven't been here in person. But I want you to answer honestly for all of these questions. So I want to show you the steps that you'll take to get where you need to go. So below this video in our Schoology page for today, Wednesday, December 2nd, there's a link to the survey. Click on that link and then it will look like this. All right, it says, welcome. Enter your access code here. Your access code is going to be your student ID number. That's the 190 something, 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 something. If you don't know this number, it's okay. Shoot me a message on Schoology, an email, a text, call me on the phone. Let me know you need that number, and I'll be more than happy to give it to you. Once you've got your 190 student ID number in there, hit enter, and it will take you to a page that looks like this. We've got one survey we get to take, so click on Start Surveys. Once you're there, it should have our school, Goodlettsville Middle, right at the top. And then it tells us why we're doing this survey. Let's see if I can zoom in a bit there. There we go. So we are doing a survey to learn more about what students think about your school. Your voice will help us know how to better support your school. If you agree to take the survey, you'll be asked questions about your school and your teachers. There are no right or wrong answers, and it's about what you really think. This survey should take about 15 minutes to complete. Only the researchers will be able to see your answers. Your teachers will not see them. We won't see what you have answered. It's your decision to take the survey or not. No one will be upset if you don't decide to take the survey. If you start and then change your mind, you can stop at any time. You can skip questions you don't want to answer. I, as your teacher, would encourage you to take the survey just because it helps you have your voice heard here at Goodlettsville Middle and in our Metro Nashville Public Schools district. But if you don't want to, that's totally cool. I absolutely understand. If you want to participate, check yes and then submit. If you'd rather not participate, you don't want your voice heard, that's okay, click no. Either way, it'll be anonymous. And then once you're selected, hit submit. Then you've got your questions here. There are questions about the type of instruction, school climate, learning at your school, connection to your school, your classmates and friends at school, and your teachers, virtual school, what it's been like learning virtually, and then your experience learning online. Once you get to 30, you'll hit submit. Remember, you don't have to answer any questions you don't want to. I would encourage you, though, I would hope that you're willing to share your thoughts on these. Please be sure to read them carefully and answer each question honestly. There was a couple of things I want to just clear up here. The answer for number 2, so far this school year, have you spent time learning in person at school? The answer for all of us here in 5th grade is going to be no. None of us have been in person. All right. Then I know there was one question down here that said frequently. And I just want to go over what frequently meant. Somebody asked me earlier, said I participate in my live virtual classes. For example, I ask questions or participate in the discussion. It is from almost never to almost always, and somebody asked me about frequently. Frequently means pretty often. So if you find yourself regularly watching our class, submitting things, asking questions, sending chats, messages in Schoology, that would be frequently. It's almost almost always, but not quite almost always. If you have questions about any of the questions, let me know. Once you've selected all of them, just hit submit, and then you'll be good to go. Awesome. That is it for us during our class today. I also want to make sure you spend time today checking in on all of your grades for all of your classes. If you see on the grades tab on the left side of Schoology, in any of your classes there is a 0, please work to fix that today. I'm just going to hint that you're going to want to do this because not only will it help your grade, will it help you succeed, will it help you master the topics in your classes. We're also looking forward to having some fun, but if you're not doing this work, you're not going to be able to join the fun. So once you've taken that survey, please check your grades in your classes, look for any missing assignments. Specifically in math, if you did not watch the video last Monday when I was not in our class, when I was at Gillisville Elementary, check that video, fill out the exit ticket. It's going to be super important. Awesome, Trojans. If y'all have any questions, need anything, just let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you soon. Bye, y'all.